Hi, I'm Lauren, and I'm here with Rit to show you how to restore your faded denim in a few easy steps with our Back to Blue kit. It's our most versatile dye that can achieve varying shades of denim. Choose from 1, 4, and 8 ounces to get the perfect blue for you. This kit includes bold blue, which is part of our all-purpose dye line. Both non-toxic and septic safe, this dye can be used on any garment that contains at least 60% natural fibers like cotton, linen, silk, wool, ramie, rayon, viscose, nylon, or modal. If you're dyeing something that has more than 40% polyester, acrylic, or acetate, you can use our dye for synthetic fibers, Rit Dye More. Check out our website for easy-to-use Rit Dye tutorials and more. This kit also includes Color Stay Dye Fixative, our secret weapon to reduce bleeding and fading. For this tutorial, you'll need the Rit Back to Blue kit, a bucket or stainless steel sink to dye in, measuring cups, salt or vinegar, depending on the fabric you're dyeing, dish soap, tongs, and something to dye. We'll be dyeing these jeans and shirt today. Fill your container or stainless steel sink with enough hot water for your clothes to move freely in. We recommend 3 gallons of water for every pound of fabric, and the temperature should be around 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. If your tap water doesn't get that hot, you can always add water from the stove. Shake up the bottle really well and add 4 ounces or half the bottle of bold blue to the dye bath. For a lighter denim, use 1 ounce of dye, and for a darker denim, use 8 ounces of dye. Then add 1 cup of salt if you're dyeing cotton, rayon, ramie, or linen. If you're dyeing nylon, silk, or wool, add 1 cup of vinegar. Since we're dyeing cotton, we're using salt. And lastly, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. This helps promote even coverage. All right, finally time to dye. Squeeze out any excess water from your damp clothes and add them to the bold blue dye bath. The key here is to stir slowly and continuously for the first 10 minutes. This will ensure an even coverage without any splotches. Keep stirring for 30 to 60 minutes or until the desired saturation is reached. Keep in mind that it'll look darker when it's wet. Carefully remove the clothing from the dye bath using tongs. It looks so much darker. Okay, now let's lock it all in with the Color Stay Dye Fixative. This helps cut down on rinse time and reduces bleeding and fading. Similar to the dye bath, refill your container or sink with 3 gallons of hot water, add 4 ounces of Color Stay Dye Fixative, and then add the clothes that you just dyed. Stir on and off for 20 minutes. Don't worry if your fixative bath starts to look murky, that's supposed to happen. It's all the unbonded excess dye and it's completely normal. Once it's done, rinse in cool water until the rinsed water runs clear. Wash and dry separately for the first cycle with an old towel. After that, simply wash with light colors in cold water as you normally would. Here's what the jeans look like with 1, 4, and 8 ounces. We're officially back to blue and looking brand new. Thanks for watching!